In this video, you will learn how to install our original pleated paper and fabric shades. To trim and install your original shades, you will need a measuring tape, a sharp kitchen knife or utility knife, and the included clips. Start by measuring your window's width in 3 places: at the top of your window, middle, and the bottom. Go with the smallest measurement to trim. Use that measurement and mark it on your shade, then trim. Reuse or recycle the excess material. To prep the surface, use a lint-free cloth and alcohol and wipe it down. Peel the adhesive off your shade and place it into your window. Apply pressure for at least 30 seconds so the adhesive can bond well to the surface. Allow the shade to come down. Then, before placing the clips on, give the shade 30 minutes to cure. Gather the pleats of the shade to your desired height and place your clips on to keep them in place.